Hello and welcome back to the Cool Maven channel. My name is Gabor Savo. I teach Python and Rust to companies. In this video, we're going to continue the FastAPI series. In the previous video, and we are going to get a little bit closer to actually building an application. In the previous video, the first one, we set up the FastAPI application, just returning hello world, a fixed text. This time, we're going to do something that will generate a dynamic test. Very simple, but still one step closer. So I got to switch to the terminal, and here there is this main py that does almost exactly the same as earlier, but except of returning just some hello world, we are using datetime. So at the top we imported datetime, and now we have an f string here instead of just a plain string, and we call datetime now in order to generate the current time. That's it, nothing else. We install FastAPI, whatever we need, and then we can start running it, FastAPI, with the dev server and main. And unlike earlier, when I noticed that port 8000 was taken, since then I shut down that other application. So in this video, I don't have to set the port to something else. I can use port 8000. So here it says, and actually I can come here and control and click on this one, and it will open the browser. The only problem is that it opens in a separate screen that I'm not sharing, so I'll have to copy paste it, and now I can switch back to the browser and open here as well. So this is where we get, and as you can see, it shows the date. Okay, so it says hello world at and the date. And look closely, it says 11 o'clock, 41 minutes and 13 seconds. And if I reload it now, it's 41 minutes and 28 seconds. And if I reload it again, it's now 34 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, time passes as I speak. Very surprising. The point is that now you can see that the actual result was generated dynamically whenever the request was sent and wasn't fixed like in the previous case. Now, I forgot in the previous video to show something else that actually that we are going to see here now. Actually, if you look at this page here, you can see that it offers you to also connect to the /docs. So again, I won't click here because it opens just in a different window. Instead of that, I switch back to this screen and type in docs. So every time you build a FastAPI application, it automatically offers you these passes. One of them is this docs, and then I'll show you two others, where you can have generic information about the definition, about the paths that are available in your project. We're going to take a look at these a little bit later in one of the further videos when we are going to have a little bit more than just a plain GET request to /. Another thing that you can look at is this Open API JSON file. I can click on this and it will return this JSON file that again describes the application. And the third one I wanted to show is the redoc or redoc, which is another way of describing the same API. So these are just helpful web pages that were generated automatically by FastAPI in order to make it easier for you while you're developing, but for later on others who need to consume this API to be able to know what is the API, what kind of requests are there, and so on. So it's worth taking a look at all that information. And I think that's enough for this video. If you liked it, just click the like button and follow the channel so you will get the notifications where new videos are appearing. And hope to see you soon in the next video talking about FastAPI. Bye-bye.